Why did it start up as soon as we stepped out the door? Yeah, it's autonomous driving.
Sit still, okay?
What exactly is that?
It has nothing with Musk.
Why did the door open by itself? Usually I have to press the key for that. What exactly did Musk do then?
If he really wanted to mess with you, he would have sent you to Mars to grow potatoes by now.
Alright then, but I still have to go to work and I need to keep making my short videos.
If your short videos don't get many views, it's because they're too much like TV.
Oh, really? I actually think they're pretty good. I've gone days without eating, drinking, or sleeping just to shoot short videos.
You're short, and if you diet yourself, you'll get shorter. The floor feels you're tall enough.
That's just too much. Alright, I need to turn right. Hold on.
Let go.
Okay, where are you taking me? I need to go to the office. I haven't set the destination yet.
With your need for control, you'll end up drilling yourself into the center of the earth one day. Just sit tight and wait for me. I'll take you to have pork rice noodles at an authentic Vietnamese PO place.
Oh my god. This is insane. Fully autonomous driving.
What's the big deal? Today is just a little surprise. There are even crazier things waiting for you tomorrow and the day after. Can you believe it?
We're here. Hey, isn't this a place I'm familiar with?
Of course, you used to come here every day.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No way, really? It parked itself, all by itself.
Oh, you country bumpkin?
No way. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh my word. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come on, what's so special about this thing?
Oh, no way!
I've seen a horse back itself into a barn in this dump called Pemberton.
Alright.
Fully autonomous driving. Head straight to table 6. Your beef noodles are waiting for you.
Come on, next time it'll be pure survival. Nope.
So spicy you spit blood.
No free gear shift plate.
This beef is really something. Chewing it feels like biting into an alien's spine. Hey, do you think this cow was ever abducted by a UFO? I've seen all kinds of cows.
From now on, our short videos will have to rely on you. You can spin a yarn way faster than I can. Alright, sounds good. Let me hurry up and eat. From now on, we'll be counting on Xiao An. Our short videos will be Brother Shun Talks AI, with Brother Shun and Xiao An talking about AI together, okay?
Huh. If it's Brother Shun Talks AI, then I'll have to confuse you first before we start.